y'all, so the ground beef and the onion are ready. The next step would be to add your taco seasoning, your pasta, which is 1 16-ounce box of pasta, and the taco seasoning is just 1 packet of seasoning. And then if you make your own, if you make homemade, just a couple tablespoons should work. The next thing that we need to put in is 2 cups of salsa or picante sauce. 1. Okay. Put that out of there. Okay. A 4-ounce can of chilies. Green chilies. And this is medium heat, which I think you could do mild or hot, it doesn't matter. And this is a 7-ounce can, so I added just a little bit too much. And the next thing that you need to add is your 4 cups of chicken broth. Okay. You need to stir it. Alright, so you're going to put your lid back on your Instant Pot and you're going to seal it. You're going to make sure that your valve is in the seal position and not the vent position. You're going to push the manual button and then set for 5 minutes. And it'll take about 10 minutes to pressurize, and then it will start the 5-minute cooking time. Once the 5 minutes are up, you're going to do a quick release where you move the valve from seal to vent and let all the pressure out. Once the steam stops coming out of the vent and the pin and the lid has dropped, you can remove the lid, and then we'll go to our next step. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, y'all. So the 5-minute time did not, I mean, it cooked it, which I was really surprised, but it's my first time cooking a whole meal in the Instant Pot. So what you need to do is stir it again when you take the lid off, and then you need to add, let's see, 2 cups of Mexican blend shredded cheese, and then stir it up until it's melted. And then it's ready to serve. I would put some toppings on it, like you could do shredded lettuce if you wanted to. Black olives, sour cream, stuff like that. And maybe some extra cheese. And it's 1 pot and done. Okay, y'all. See y'all next time.